For the first time, our nurses are taking uniform allowances for the first time.
Really?
The uniform allowance. For the first time, yes. For the first time, that was it started 3 years ago. For the first time, our nurses are taking uniform allowances for the first time. It started 3 years ago. Yes, so that was the reason why yes, that was the reason why I have been fighting on this app. So if I come across any nurse, student nurse or staff nurse, they were campaigning for NDC, na makuma yemeya because right from even at the era of COVID, increases salary. Nurses in Kwejuma, but near ye J salary. Aside that, there was increment of salary right from 2020 now till last year. Yeah, increases salary every year. And then 3 years ago, Nana started paying for nursing allowances. And then we had a negotiation about our rent allowances and then transportation. I think they work on only the transportation. Then the transportation is so ranks. So if you are a junior rank, you are not going to benefit from that transportation. But we na yes ye kase na junior ranks no mo kita car no so mo be adwuma o mo fa car. Enti I say o mo sunya transport at least bibi keto be kra but and na our hope for NPP to retain power na very high. But ambassa and say ambassa na so. I'm telling you, what I'm telling you, the voice. It's for the first time in history. Oh, not even Mahama. Oh, yes, we have it. Yes, that for for coupons, and then they take it to I think Goy also. No, my coin to say who ni car na. O de coupon ni ma will be auto Goy. Yeah, now what you say?
Miss Jane Kaya, now what the same way ungrateful people at which day.
Oh, it's true.
Yeah.
It's true. Me say nurses no home. Sister, me say I am a ya pa me onim say uniform allowance I say why increasing now to 1,000 Ghana. It was 400 until after taking the taxes out of it na yenya 300. But say oh my why increase ya 1,000. Last year and increment no it started ban. Now we have issues with the psychiatric nurses. Until more than 70 quote, I feel no more really out the issue. I say 1,000 last year arrears no more to this year so uniform no or more to 1,000 for the first time 3 years so and another I started to see uniform. I have come across some videos. I'm commenting on this same uniform allowances and the people have been supporting me say it's true, it's true, it's true. No, that's why I said it started 3 years ago. For the first in the history, the voice it has not happened before. For the first time in history, not in Kofor's regime, not in Mahama or Atame's regime. No, for the first time, we are taking
Oh,
uniform allowances. Yes,
sorry, voice.
and
I
then
thought you want to close.
the salary increment and then so is mind blowing. I'm telling you. Now, sure, and then the uniform too is there.
So Miss Jane, the voice.